So let us come back and do the 2012 paper. So let us read the question given to us. So they've given us, illustrate the following. Again, one more name reaction. They've given this time Clemmensen reduction, HVZ reaction. Now again the same thing. I've already done this name reaction, which is numbered as video number 23 in the playlist. Again, HVZ reaction, it is labeled under the video 41 in your playlist. Please go through that video, and please write definition, reaction, name of the reagent and the product. So let us come back to this. So this is done and this is done. Let us start with this. How are the following conversions carried out? Right, one more conversion question. What do they give us? Let me know the first one. I have to convert ethyl cyanide to ethanoic acid. Okay, there are many ways to convert. You can convert this in different methods, but I felt this is the easiest method for you all because we've already done reactions with ammonia. So let us do that process. Here I'm ethyl cyanide. Write the formula. Ethyl cyanide is 2 carbon ethyl and your cyano group. I have to convert this into ethanoic acid. So write ethanoic acid is nothing but your acetic acid. Now the best process is first try to convert your cyano group to your carboxylic acid group, right, in the presence of H bonds. Right, now when you convert cyano to carboxylic acid, you get CH3 CH2 COH. Now we got your propanoic acid. Now let us see. Now to this propanoic acid, try to add ammonia. We have done reactions with ammonia, isn't it? I said the reactions are very important. Now you're going to add excess ammonia to this. When you add excess ammonia, this ammonia goes and adds to this hydrogen. What do you get? You're going to get an ammonium salt first. Again, a repetition of what I have done earlier. Ammonium propanoate. Now to this ammonium propanoate, what am I going to do? I'm going to heat it. When I heat it, the water which is present here gets evaporated. From where does this go? Oxygen from here and H2 from here escapes out. What is the product form? Let me write it down. You're going to get CH3, your CH2, your CO and NH2. Done. Now I've got an amide. Which amide? Right, propanamide. I've gotten propanamide. So basically in amines chapter I'll be doing this reaction. Conversion of propanamide, right, to amine, your primary amine. We have done that reaction is called Hoffman's bromamide reaction. Right. So what am I going to do? I'm going to use bromine in the presence of KOH. That is your Hoffman's bromamide reaction. Bromamide reaction. So what does it do? It's going to convert the amides to amines. So amides, this is your amide. It's getting converted to amines now. Amide, amine, done. This is your primary amine, isn't it? Carbon with 2 hydrogens. Now to this primary amine, what should I do? I have to finally prepare ethanoic acid, isn't it? So what else is extra? 2 carbons are already there, but I have a COH, means an oxygen present in that particular compound. I have to add that. Now to this ethanamine, if I add a strong oxidizing agent. What is a strong oxidizing agent? Strong oxidizing agent is HNO3. It's very strong oxidizing agent basically. You can take that. To that strong oxidizing agent, when you add, this is going to add oxygen to this amine. What does the compound look like? CH3, CH2. Yeah, this is amine group gets converted to your alcoholic. Now further, now what we're almost close it, isn't it? So this is your alcohol, this is your acid. Removal of hydrogen and addition of oxygen. So what is that? An oxidizing agent should be used. I can use anything, isn't it? CrO3 can be used. I can use chromate, right? Your chromic acid or potassium dichromate. So on oxidation, alcohol, hydrogen is lost and your oxygen is added. So this is how you're going to convert. This is the easiest way I felt. Only thing you have to remember, whenever you reach acetamide, try to use Hoffman's bromamide and prepare primary amine. Then it's easy. All these are easy steps. Right? So we are done with this first one. Let us come back and do the second one. So second, what is the second one? Butanol to butanoic acid. The easiest conversion in your chemistry textbook. Second one is butan 1-ol 2-butanoic acid. Right. Write the formula. What is butan 1-ol? 1, 2, 3, 4 and OH. This is your butan 1-ol. Correct. Right. Now to this butan 1-ol, I have to convert this into butanoic acid. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is your butanoic acid. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So this is your butanoic acid. Done. Now what, observe what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, but only difference is this is an alcohol, this is an carboxylic acid, and oxygen is present extra. So there should be an oxidizing agent which can convert alcohol to acid. Oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent, what is its work? It has to add oxygen. So the best oxidizing agent is CrO3. The presence of acid, I'm going to take acetic acid. What is this going to do? It's going to remove this hydrogen out, yeah, and add oxygen here, and you'll get this. So please write, this is your butan 1-ol and this is your butanoic acid. That's it. So what do we do? Simple step. Just see, alcohol on oxidation gives acids. So I'm using an oxidizing agent to convert that to that. So I've done the second one. Let us do the third one. One more easiest conversion. I have to convert benzoic acid to metabromo. So let us copy that equation. Benzoic acid to metabromo benzoic acid. Okay, so I have to write first benzoic acid. This is your benzoic acid, benzene ring with COH. Yes. After that, now I have to convert this into metabromo. They said meta position, there is a bromine group. So para, ortho, meta, isn't it? Yes. So at the meta position, we have bromo and still you have your benzoic acid. Now observe what extra. This is your benzoic acid. What else should I add? Bromine. So what is the agent which gets this bromine to the benzene ring? You can add FeBr3 and add. Yes, simple. We have already done these reactions. Yeah, so you can add bromine, FeBr3. If you have to add chlorine, FeCl3. Here you're going to add FeBr3, which will add bromine at the meta position because they've asked me that. So third is also done. So let us meet again with the part B part of your 2012 paper.